Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by applying prerequisites and immediate actions. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS 26, build and restart it to clear transient processes. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth and other accessories so they do not hold wake locks. Then open Settings, go to Battery, and identify the top 3 apps consuming power in the last 24 hours. This shows what to target next and prevents wasted steps chasing background services that aren't causing the drain. Once you know the culprits, take direct action. Force quit or offload apps that show excessive CPU or background activity and reinstall if behavior persists. Next, make sure background app refresh and location access are off for anything non-essential because these cause frequent wake events. You can fine-tune per app. Also optimize display settings, reduce brightness, enable auto brightness, and lower the screen refresh rate if your device supports it, since the screen is often the single biggest battery consumer. To finish, run broader system remedies. Back up your device and reset network settings, or reset all settings if problems continue, because corrupted configurations can cause stray processes. Make consistent use of low power mode during heavy periods and keep optimized battery charging on to protect capacity. Finally, check battery health percentage and peak performance capability. If you still see rapid decline after these steps, contact Apple support or run a diagnostic session, since hardware wear or a defective battery may be the real issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.